One of the key things for the operators to think about when 5G comes into play is how can they be the most efficient, most valuable communication service provider, not just to an end user or subscriber, but there's mobile enterprises, there are industries of different verticals. How can they be the go-to communication service provider?
So we're also going to see 5G penetrate in a lot of new areas which wireless technology has not been so often used before.
So industries would love to use mobile technology and explore ways to optimize their revenues in the operations cycle. So that would mean more of automation, more of machine to machine, more of Internet of Things.
I think looking at the process for 5G and where we are in the standardization technology development, and also looking at the requirement setting in ITU, I think we will see 5G roughly early 2020 or in the early 2020 decade.
An operator does not necessarily have to worry about their LTE investment because 5G is going to only leverage that investment and make it better.
LTE will both be part of the 5G family, but 5G will also add capabilities above what can be served with LTE today on new radio access technologies.
You know, there are different elements of a mobile network which come into play. There is the access, which is the radio aspect of it as to how we can connect to a network, and then the intelligence in the mobile core, which has to deal with enormous amount of bandwidth requirements. Then you have the backhaul.
The 5G demo that we're showing showcases quite a lot of capabilities. It showcases the higher frequency range that we're looking for 5G. We're demonstrating it in 15 gigahertz. It also showcases smarter or multiple antenna technologies with a lot of antenna elements, and it also showcases really high data rates, 5.8 gigabits per second.